Give him a big round of applause for coming up first. Yash from first year BSc.
यश तुझे यश असा प्लीज मुखार सर. ताची स्टायल बीन पळयात खरेंच स्टँडअप कॉमेडी करपाक येयला अशें दिसता. सो तुका भरपूर यश आवडटा. ओवर टू यू.
I will try my best. First of all, I didn't want to do this, but Brian sir forced me and I am here. So maths. You know what the painful thing about maths is? Is that when it just starts off like a cute subject. Like, you are just playing with it. And then it just starts on escalating and escalating and escalating. And at one point you're sitting in the class and wondering, hey, what's this happening? ये क्या बोल रही है? You just you don't think about me. Do you understand what you're saying? Because when it starts off, no, it's just like a cute one. When we were all just kids, we didn't know anything. Our brains were empty. Wanted to be educated. And we were sitting in the class, and then this one teacher comes in the class and draws a line. She draws a line and says, "ये 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है," and I'm like, "Yeah, maths easy है. Yeah, it's so easy, no?" But she says, "No, Yash, there is a bit more." I was like, "What?" She said, "You can add these numbers, you can subtract these numbers." I was like, "What is that?" I shouldn't have asked because it is when it is started escalating. Then she taught me this state-of-the-art method. She said, "Yash, take a number." I said, "Yeah." She said, "Take it in your fingers." I said, "Okay." She said, "Take another number." I said, "Yeah." "Keep it in your mind." I said, is that what it is for?" Then, but you know what? This method is very dangerous, because it is the first time in your life when interception is happening in your brain. Means you are putting a number in your mind. Yes, so it is very dangerous because there was one person in my class. I don't want to tell his name, Paranzape. Allow me, Prasanna. Okay. He was trying to calculate 3 plus 4. He took 4 in his fingers, 3 in his mind, bell rang, he went home. Now the number 3 was just stuck in his head. That night he had some weird dreams, like his father was a big 3, he was a little 3. They were both holding the hands and they went in the bus number 3. They went to the beach and there was just waves and waves of 3 hitting on them. He woke up screaming, and it was 3 at night. He was like, "अबे ये ड्रीम के बाहर भी चल रहा है." Then he had to go to the doctor, but he had to wait in the waiting room because his token number was 3. So he went to the doctor. Doctor asked, "What is your problem?" He said, "Doctor, the 3 is just stuck in my mind." They did the surgery and they got it out. He was like, thank you, doctor. I'm feeling much better now. What is your name?" She said, "Gayatri." He said, "No." Then uska ho gaya. He left back. We proceeded. Then after some years, the maths became more darker and darker because one day this teacher comes in in the class with a black color bag. She put a bag on the table. She put her hand in it and says, "Yash, in this bag there are 3 blue balls, 2 yellow balls, and 1 red ball. Okay. Can you tell me which ball I am holding?" I said, "Ma'am, take your hand up. I will tell you immediately." She said, No. The hand is inside. How will you tell me?" I said, "Black magic." She said, "No, probability." Okay. This was at this point when it started. I started losing it, bro. Like, I couldn't understand what was happening. Then I think even the numbers were scared. Like they were like, हम अकेले अकेले नहीं जाएंगे. We will go in progressions from now. Arithmetic, geometric, and वो सभी. Then it all came and fell into a formula, and it came to a point where it's called calculus. This is where numbers are like, नहीं, हम कोई दूसरा सब्जेक्ट ढूंढ लेंगे, तुम करो जो करना है तुम्हें. Like the numbers had disappeared. X, Y, dx, dy, dy by dx, dx by dy. एक इंडिकेटर करके सांप बैठा है वहाँ पर बीच में. Okay. The question is an equation, but the answer is a big equation. I was like, ये मैं सॉल्व क्या किया? मैंने तो प्रॉब्लम बढ़ा दिया. Okay. Then I went to then I went to the teacher and said, "Ma'am, ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पर?" Ma'am looked into my eyes and said, "Yash, we have moved a bit ahead now. Because if a number can be an answer to any question, and if a number can be x, then we are not interested in numbers anymore. We are not finding for x anymore. We are finding x itself." I was like, तो मैं कौन हूँ? She was like, तुम शायद ह्यूमैनिटी स्टूडेंट हो यश. थैंक यू.
म्हाका एक कळना, स्टँडअप कॉमेडी म्हणजे एक भितून व्हाईट कलरचो टी शर्ट आणि भायल्यान एक शर्ट घालून येवप. तशें जाल्यार म्हाका एक कोण तरी हाडून दिया तूं शर्ट बीन, हांव करता स्टँडअप कॉमेडी.